Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A Lenovo docking station is designed to provide a stable connection between your laptop and external displays, but a flickering screen can quickly disrupt your workflow. This issue may appear as flashing, blinking, temporary blackouts, or unstable display behavior while connected through the Lenovo docking station. In many cases, the cause is related to display cables, refresh rate settings, power delivery, or connection issues rather than a faulty monitor. Before replacing hardware, there are several quick checks that can often improve display stability. In this video, we'll go through a few simple troubleshooting steps that may help stop screen flickering when using a Lenovo docking station. Try these. Step 1. Reconnect display cables to the Lenovo docking station. Step 2. Check monitor settings linked to the Lenovo docking station. Step 3. Restart the Lenovo docking station. Step 4. Update drivers for the Lenovo docking station. Step 5. Verify power to the Lenovo docking station. Step 6. Test the display through the Lenovo docking station again.